Morning, guys. Okay, so we're in Caratunk. You'll recognize the Forest Service building there. We're a random pick-me-up, and this is where you come up out of the off of the Kennebec. When you cross there, and then the trail picks up right here in this little parking area. And we'll scoot up here. And so today, I'm looking to hike straight through from Caratunk to Monson, which is 33.4 miles. You saw yesterday that I did that 3.4 miles. Did that in an hour, so what about this in 10? What do you think? Wouldn't that be awesome? Weather isn't great today, but it's good for hiking. So we'll look forward to that. Okay, we're an hour and a half in, 4.4 miles. So doing okay. Time-wise, I'd like to be able to keep this up. I think I'm about a mile to a mile and a half from the first real ascent. We've had just some little ups and downs, nothing serious. Can't really tell, but I'm like a drowned rat. It was raining really hard. Too hard to really video. So it stopped. I was able to take my poncho off and just cool down a little bit. You know, man, all that rain gear traps a lot of heat. So it feels so much better and actually moves so much faster without it. Still a long way to go, but making progress. Man, with a trail like this, wow, wouldn't it be awesome if I could get some trail like this, either on this side or on the other side, where I could get up, say, over 3 miles an hour. This is where I need to be basically jogging. I don't know, I'm not jogging right now, but I'm walking literally as fast as I can walk. Man, if I could get this for a little while, that would be truly spectacular. So Pleasant Pond Mountain is not really steep. It's not really hard per se, but it's a miserable piece of ground, I'll tell you that. It's rocky and rooty and incredibly slippery when it's wet. So it just means it's slow, which doesn't fit with my bill today. I've already slipped a couple times. Ended up on actually my face both times rather than my butt. Okay, guys, we did 14.7 miles. I want you to see the Bald Mountain Brook lean-to. Okay, we did 14.7 miles in 5 hours exactly. Left at 7, walked into there, that lean-to at 12. It's now 12:37. I only wanted to give myself a 15-minute lunch break, but there were others there, so just enjoying the last conversations. And so it's now 12:37. But and we're right here. I cross a road, and then we climb Moxie Bald. Coming down the backside of Moxie Bald. Sort of chilly up there, windy, nasty day, so kind of skip by it, but I guess I shouldn't have worn the tank top t-shirt. Yeah, so anyway, I just thought I'd show you that there's really no view. So this is going down. I hear a river coming up, and I heard that there are 3 rivers that I have to ford. I'm assuming this is one of them. I've already forded a couple, probably 3 streams. Yeah, at least 3 streams. Yeah, so because so that's predictably slippery, except for I was predictably stupid about it as I'm sitting here messing with the camera. Rather than just taking this the way I should be, using both my poles and whatnot, but it's sort of more fun taking you along. So, according to the word around the campfire, that's the first of 3 quote-unquote rivers. That looked like a stream to me, but maybe it's a river. So I'm just thinking, there is no 23, 24, 25. There's only 33. Just like I used to tell the guys all the time when they would start chirping about the miles that they had done in a day. I'm like, hey, only 1 mile matters, and that's 2190.9. Although I did think it was 2190.6 for a long time. I think it was. I think there was some adjustment. But that's the only mileage that matters. 2190.9. And I know it sounds crazy to you, because it sounds crazy to me. But maybe I should start thinking right now, for the rest of this hike, there's only 1 mile that matters. 2190.9. Because when I get done with this day, rain or shine, good or bad, at the end of the day is I will have done 2190.9. Well, here's a little different story. They said I had 3 rivers to cross. You saw the streams that I crossed. Now this, to me, appears to be a river. Is this the first of the rivers? Or is this the last of the streams and rivers? Ooh, that's a big one. Look at that. All right. If this were an entertainment channel, I would walk over there, set my camera up, and then walk back so that it was taking a picture of me crossing. But it's not an entertainment channel. So, should I carry you with me? That's always my inclination. Let's see if I can do that. If I fall in and drown, it's because of you bastards. I just want you to know that. My dedication to you. And not using both hands, simply so that I might allow you the opportunity. Deeper. We're now at the bottom of the kilt. Let's look upstream. Yep, bottom of the kilt. Now, the last time I hit the bottom of the kilt was in the Kennebec. And that ended up, now the rope's too high for me to hold on to. But this is sort of an eddy here, so now I'm hands free and whatnot heretofore. I'll swing around so you can see my dumb ass. Whoops. Like I said. Fording rivers. That's what we do on our final day of the Appalachian Trail. See that bee's nest? They want me to go, hello. That's an active bee's nest, so call me a blue blazer if you want, but rather than go up that, I'm going up here, which apparently a lot of other folks have done as well. Probably to stay away from that bee's nest. All right. Well, I did it without getting stung, so whatever I am, I would consider myself successful. For most of the rest of this hike, we're going to be running along this river, which we crossed a ways back, and now because they wanted us on this side, and now we're just running along it. And as with any body of water, there are an inordinate amount of trees, nice healthy trees growing in the proximity, and when there are these sorts of pine trees, you get the roots up over the top of the soil. So we can expect that that'll stay with us. So this is a great way to finish the last 4 miles of my through hike. Fording a river. That's cool. Ooh, that was a big step. I want you to note that registration log, which are obviously placed at the trailheads. That is the last registration log of my 2018 through hike. What a beautiful, serene Lake Hebron. And just as a reality check, I want you to know my through hike ends where the AT meets the trailhead at Lake Hebron. Yes, I am within a mile of completing my through hike. It's 7:30 on the 18th of August 2018. And this double blaze represents the end of my through hike. It should be a blue blaze on the top, where the Appalachian Trail ends for me. But a new trail begins. And no matter where that new trail leads me, this junction will always be the link back to the Appalachian Trail. Good, bad, or indifferent. No matter where I go from here, imagine a blue blaze on top. But my junction with the Appalachian Trail is right here. And so as the light fades from this day, so too does it fade from this hike.